Oh my god, Lucas, you shouldn't have. How did you know I wanted to try off road? Okay. And you're letting me drive. You are so brave. Yes, please hold in the bar if you feel unsafe, because you're gonna feel unsafe when I'm driving. Anywho, let's go. Come on. Please, come on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. No, no, I already see. We didn't even pass this. Where did I go wrong? Come on. Okay, we did it. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, Lucas, because this is gonna be a chill ride. Oh my god. Are you serious? You took me on this car, and this car can't even do the first one? Oh my god, this is gonna be so embarrassing for you. Oh my god, come on, please start. Please, come on. Stupid car. Is there a way I can skip this? Is there a way, or do I actually have to like... How am I... Oh my god. Lucas. What is that sound your car is doing? I don't like it. Please, come on. Oh my god, Lucas. You're so... Can we just skip this part? I can't get up. Babe, I can't get up, okay? God. What do you want me to do? Come on, please. Come on. Come on. Please. Okay, maybe if I know what to do. Don't worry. Oh. Fuck, I think I stole it. Come on, please. Please start. Okay. Oh my god, I can't even, like... I guess we're going off-roading this way, right? I am changing gears, babe, okay? Your car is just... Oh my... Sorry, I had it in neutral. I'm so sorry. Okay? I think we can skip the course and get to the end. No, we can't. Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm panicking. Okay. What is that constant sound? Oh my god, I stole the car again. Oh my god. Babe, please don't be mad at me. Come on. Oh my god. This is your decision to make Oh, I think I see the finishing line. Like, we didn't make it, but we made it? No, we didn't. That was a pipe. Lucas, babe, I'm so sorry. Come on. Oh my god. I'll pay for the repairs. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing, babe. I really don't, okay? I'm trying. Come on. Please, no, come on. Come on. Babe, I am doing that. Oh my god. I think the engine blew up or something. I don't know, babe. You should check. I'll stay here. and look pretty meanwhile you fix it, okay?